Mamata Banerjee lashing out at the central government, saying that the riots that have broken out in Bengal is a pre-planned conspiracy and pins the blame on the BJP for the riots that are playing out in her state. But even at the same time, you've got the BJP leading a protest. On your screens are images of Shivendu Adhikari, the leader of opposition in Bengal, leading a protest, a black band protest, if you can see on your screens there, in Kolkata against Mamata Banerjee over the riots that have broken out in Murshidabad. Listen to what Shivendu Adhikari had to say.
पूरा प्रदेश सड़क में है, हिंदू शहीद दिवस मना रहा है पश्चिम बंगाल बीजेपी की ओर से। वो अपीजमेंट करने के लिए, ये दंगा जो किया उनको फेलिसिएट करने के लिए। लगातार ये जो आंदोलन आप लोग कर रहे हैं, ये पूरा रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एक खून के लिए ममता बनर्जी है। ममता शुड स्टेप डाउन, शी शुड गो टू जेल। हम लोग कावड़ हिंदू नहीं है, स्वामी विवेकानंद का हिंदू है।
Okay, let's bring in Rajesh Saha for more details really on what we're seeing right now. A political war of words that's playing out between the BJP and the Trinamool Congress. Let's put the focus first on what Mamata Banerjee has said, Rajesh, when she's pinning the blame on the BJP and the BSF for the riots that played out in Murshidabad.
Exactly, BJP is performing Hindu Shahid Divas across the state of West Bengal today. You know, two Hindus were brutally killed in Murshidabad who were father-son duo. They were killed by the miscreants during the violence and unrest took place in Murshidabad. And after this incident, BJP called for a protest, huge protest across the state of West Bengal. And today they are observing Hindu Shahid Divas to tribute to deceased persons who were killed in Murshidabad and to remember the father-son duo who are Hindu. Shivendu Adhikari is observing Hindu Shahid Divas in front of West Bengal Legislative Assembly right now, and all of the BJP MLAs are wearing black badge on their shirt and T-shirt, and they are observing Hindu Shahid Divas in front of West Bengal Legislative Assembly, and apart from all the BJP MLAs. All 37 BJP district, organizational district are observing the same Hindu Shahid Divas across the state of West Bengal right now. Back to you.
BJP holding a protest as we speak, and this is a march outside the Bengal Assembly where they are condemning the Mamata government for what's happened in Murshidabad, a Shahid Divas march essentially by the BJP right now as they are upping the ante against the government over the riots in Murshidabad. The BJP has been pinning the blame on the Trinamool Congress government, saying they've been unable to maintain law and order in the state, but at the same time Mamata Banerjee saying that the BSF is to blame. Remember that central forces were deployed on the orders of the court because of the fact that things were clearly out of control in Murshidabad and rioting was taking place. People were leaving. There was a mass exodus. The central forces were deployed, and then we saw some calm being brought back in Murshidabad. But Mamata Banerjee says the BSF is to blame for the riots that broke out in fact, Murshidabad. The BJP right now is on that march. As you can see, they're wearing black. They're holding up black flags. Listen to Shivendu Adhikari.
पूरा प्रदेश सड़क में है, हिंदू शहीद दिवस मना रहा है पश्चिम बंगाल बीजेपी की ओर से। वो अपीजमेंट करने के लिए, ये दंगा जो किया उनको फेलिसिएट करने के लिए। लगातार ये जो आंदोलन आप लोग कर रहे हैं, ये पूरा रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एक खून के लिए ममता बनर्जी है। ममता शुड स्टेप डाउन, शी शुड गो टू जेल। हम लोग कावड़ हिंदू नहीं है, स्वामी विवेकानंद का हिंदू है।
Okay, so we will get you, in fact, reactions to Mamata Banerjee's comment as well. On one hand, Mamata Banerjee blaming the BJP and the BSF for the riots in her state. And on the other, this march by the BJP where they're questioning the TMC government over what exactly happened in Murshidabad. Remember, 3 people had died in the riots that had broken out over the weekend in Murshidabad. And since then, there's been simmering tension also not just in that district, but slowly spreading to different parts of Bengal as well.